Hi children, are you ready for your maths? I hope so. So to get our maths brains warmed up, we're going to be working with the numbers 6, 7 and 8 again. I know you did a bit of this last week, so we're just going to recap for today on those numbers 6, 7 and 8. So to kick our brains into gear, we've got a quick warm-up activity. So I'm going to hold a card up and you need to work out if it's a number 6 card, if it's a number 7 card, or if it's a number 8 card. They're different representations. So here we've got, it might be a tens frame, it might be holding up their fingers, so work out how many fingers they're holding up, or it might even be numbers on dice, like that. But you have to work out as fast as you can whether it's representing number 6, number 7 or number 8. We've even got some words in there. Okay, so work out if it's 6, 7 or 8. So you might need to pause it to allow yourself some extra time. We've also got, I wonder if you remember what these are called, these number shapes. That's right, these are Numicon, and you should be able to recognise these now by their colours. So you should know that a pink piece of Numicon is 7, and if not, don't worry, but you can also know the amount quickly by recognising, oh, well, I can see 6 here, and one more, I can see 6, one more makes 7. Okay, if you need a bit more time, then pause the video, that's absolutely fine. But I want you to show me the answer by having your fastest fingers ready. So all you need for this activity is your fast fingers, so your 2 hands, and when I hold up a number, if it's 6, I want you to show me 6. If it's 7, I want you to show me 7. And if it's 8, I want you to show me 8. Okay? So in whichever way you like, but I want you to show me 6, 7 or 8. Okay? So fastest fingers ready. On your marks, get set. Oh, which number is this? Can you show me on your fingers quick as you can? Number 6. Well done. It's going to get even quicker now. Tens frame. How many can you see? Show me on your fingers quick as you can. That's right, because we know that there's 5 along the bottom. 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Like I said before, if you need to pause the video and count them individually just to make sure, that's fine as well. All good counting. Well done. Right, we've got another one here. Are you ready? What number's that? 8, well done. And that one is quite easy because you're just copying, aren't you? Working out the number and then you're doing the same with your fingers. So that's the number 8. Good job. What have we got next? Oh, what number's that? Show me on your fingers. That's right. We have 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Was that quick? Good job. This one, I don't know if you've seen one of these before. It's called a tally. Now when we've got a completed tally like this, we know there's 5. So you draw 4 lines and then a line across to make 5. So we know there's 5 there and 2 more make 5 and 2. Yes, that's right, 7. Or you could pause the video and count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how a tally works. Show me on your fingers. That's it, well done. Right, we'll do a couple more. How many? Well done. 8, good job. We've got a word now. What word is that, do you think? How many fingers should I see? Let's try and sound it out together. Seven. So if you held up 7 fingers, then you are right. Do another one. Ooh, dropping them everywhere. That's right, it's another 7 because I can see 6 and the 1. Right, I think we'll do one more then. How many is that? Show me on your fingers, quick as you can. If you are holding up 6 fingers, then you're right. I can see 5 and one more makes 6. Lots of different ways there of representing and showing 6, 7 and 8. So for today's activity then, I'll need to turn you around a little bit. We are matching 6, 7 and 8. So on the home learning page, you will find a sheet with these ladybirds on that you can print off and use after this maths lesson, or you can even make your own. Okay, so there's a blank template where you can add your own spots, or you can just make your own and draw your own. And the idea is to make them into cards to play a matching game. So they'd all be turned over. This is your activity to do afterwards. So they'll all be turned over and you'll play with somebody, either a brother or a sister or a grown-up, and you'll play like a pairs matching game. So you'll take it in turns to turn 2 cards over, and if they match, then you win those cards. But first of all, I want us to see what we mean by a matching pair, because we're matching 6, 7 and 8. So none of them are exactly the same. They've all got their spots arranged in different ways, but they do match, and that's because they're matching if they've got 6 spots, or if they've got 7 spots, or if they have 8 spots. So let's see what we mean then. So if I pop this one up here, so these are the ones we're looking at, the ones I'm popping up here, does that one match with this one? Would that be a matching pair? Tell me what you can see. How many spots does this ladybird have? And how many spots does this ladybird have? Have a think. I want to pause the video for some extra time to have a think. Okay, have you got it? Do they match? They don't, because we know 4 and 2, how many spots altogether? 6. So this one has 6 spots. And how many spots does this one have? Yes, because we've got 5 on this side, and we've got 5 and 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. So those two, they don't match, do they? No. So we'll pop that one back. Does this one match? Does this pair match? So we know, if I get my pen, oh, where have I put it? Here it is. Got it. So we've already said that this one, we've got 4 and 2 more, that's 6. That's a 6. Yes. So how many spots does this ladybird have? Have you worked it out yet? We've got 5 on this side, 5 and 2 more, 5, 6, 7. That one has 7 spots. So that's not a matching pair, is it? No. So if I pop this one back then, which one do you think matches? Do you think this one? Maybe. Let's see if you're right. So we pop that one up there. So we know this one has 6 because it has 4 and 2, and that makes 6. What about this one then? How many spots does this ladybird have? I've got 3 on this side and 3 on that side. 3 and 3 makes how many spots altogether? That's right, that's 6. So if you turn those two over in the game, you would win that matching pair because they match. So I'll pop those together here where you can see them. Where we can see them still. Pop those there because they both represent 6, so they are a matching pair. Right, we'll do one more then before I set you to go off and have a go at this game with somebody in your house. So I'm going to choose this one. How many spots on this ladybird here? How many spots altogether? Have you got the answer yet? Let's see if you're right. We've got 5 on this side. I can see 4 and 1. I can see 5. 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 on that side. So the matching ladybird would have 7, would need 7 spots. Okay. Is it this one? How many spots does this one have? 4 and 4. I can see 4 and 4. How many altogether? I think we'll count these ones this time because I know some of you will need to count them carefully just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. So they're not a matching pair, are they? So that will have to go back. And then we need, which one is it out of these 3 then? So we've got these 3 left. Which one matches this ladybird? Which one do you think matches out of these 3? Which other one has 7 spots altogether? You think it's that one? See if you're right. See if they make a match. So on this side we have 4 and on this side we have 3. Is that 7 altogether? As I say, let's careful counting to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are a matching pair. So we can pop those together. And then the last 2, swap those out, are these ones. So these are our last ones. I wonder if these match. How many spots does that one have? And how many spots does that one have? You can pause it if you like and work it out. And I'll leave that one for you there to work out. Okay, so before I go, so you can start your maths activity, I'll explain one more time, just in case I didn't make it clear. So you're going to print these out. You're going to lay them all flat. Okay, so you're going to lay them all face down like a pairs matching game. Like so. I'll leave those ones there for you to work out. But in the game you play at home, you'll turn them all over, have them all laid out, and then you're going to turn 2 over, just like pairs. And if they match, you count how many spots altogether. And if they match, you get to keep that pair. If they don't match, you turn them back over and you have another go. I hope I made that clear for you. Have fun and bye for now.